You wanna come up, Sylvester? You wanna come up? Come here. Good boy. The best Sylvester. You are the best boy. What do you want, Mister? Be careful. Be careful. Oh, careful, careful. That's okay, we can put this. Okay, do it on that. Okay. Come here. Come. Lester, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. No, no. Lester. You okay? You gonna go? What are you doing, Lester? You want some dinner to eat? Good boy. Sylvester is the best boy. We love Sylvester. That is the best cat ever. Sylvester, can you say I love you? Love you, Sylvester.